Grady Bear, you have a spike on your head. You have a spiky hairdo. Mama spiked up your hairdo. What do you think of that? I spiked it. Spike! What do you think of the spiky hairdo?
Look at your hair. Look at your hair. What's your mama doing? What's your mama doing? Oh.
I gave you a spike. Look at these legs. They don't stop moving. They don't stop moving.